Welcome to my channel Civil Engineering _MC. Today's video is on how is compaction work carried out at site and what are the points keep into mind during compaction processes. Let's start. Factors affecting site compaction of soil. There are many factors which influence the degree of compaction in the field. Some are compactor dependent and some depend on the soil being compacted. The factors which affect the degree of compaction are listed. 1. Type of soil. 2. Compactive effort/compactive energy. 3. Layer thickness/thickness of lift. 4. Number of roller passes. 5. Moisture content. 6. Contact pressure. 7. Speed of rolling. As you see, the soil is fully saturated due rainfall and waterlogging into some parts of ground. For compaction process, it's mandatory that surface should be dry and time duration period at least 15 days from last rainfall, and this period is called dry down. Compaction of soil is an important process, as it helps it of achieve certain physical properties necessary for its proper behavior under loading, as you see in the video that pressures applied on soil by the mean of roller. Roller compaction efficiencies depend on weights and speed of roller and knows of times it compresses to ground. In this project we have used 10-ton roller by which we had compacted whole ground. Due to proper compaction reduces the chances of settlement, increases the shear strength of the soil due to its increased. The mainly compaction test of soil is carried out using Proctor's test to understand compaction characteristics of different soils with change in moisture content. Compaction of soil is the optimal moisture content at which a given soil type becomes most dense and achieve its maximum dry density by removal of air voids. Determination of adequate compaction is done by determining the in situ density of the soil and comparing it to the maximum density determined by a laboratory test. One another method used in situ is core cutter method. Core cutter method is used for determining dry density of the soil. Site compaction. Procedure of core cutter method. Place the dolly over the top of the core cutter and press the core cutter into the soil mass using the rammer. Stop the pressing when about 15 mm of the dolly protrudes above the soil surface. Remove the soil surrounding the core cutter, and take out the core cutter. After the completion of compaction work, we have started slope marking on ground mortar small blocks thickness up to 4 inches at every 10 feet slopes towards boundary drainage system. The slope is directly affected to the flow of water and drained out time. If the slope is high, it's called steep slope, the drained out time will less, and when it's less, this called normal slope, by which chances of waterlogging on site. That's why slope define and its calculation is so important. In our project we have calculated slopes with reference to drainage system beds with reference to existing building plinth level. The right OV defined for slope is 1 niche for every 10 feet length, 10:1 for drained out. The proper slopes which help you for better drained out of rainy water and helps to prevent causes of water loggings. Last but not least, for every project work inspection is necessary. For that, make a checklist for all items. The proper compaction of ground and slope with reference to fixed points has need to check. It's engineer duty to check the all aspects with reference to working drawing and standard code. After that, ground is ready for plain cement concrete. PCC, the block marking boundary is started. We have made marked block with wooden planks and cuts planks into required shape and make square box to pour the concrete. The size of box is 15 feet by 15 feet and depth PCC depth 4 inches. Thanks for watching this video. In this channel you will get regular videos on basic of civil engineering and concept. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icons for future notification.